Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making Instant Pot Apple Crisp. Okay guys, I'm starting out in my Instant Pot. I'm going to start by adding in 5 red delicious apples that I peeled and I cut into chunks. And you can use any kind of apple you like. I use red delicious because they're one of the cheaper apples. I'm going to add in a half a cup of water. Alright. I'm going to add in 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. And it's a tablespoon, so Dexter, calm down. I'm going to add in a half a teaspoon of pumpkin spice, and this called for nutmeg, but I don't have any. I didn't realize it, so we're just going to put some pumpkin spice in instead. Let me grab a spoon and give that a quick stir. I almost forgot, I'm also going to add in 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. And make sure you use real maple syrup, not pancake syrup, guys. You don't want this to get gross on you. Let me give that a stir one more time. Okay guys, in that bowl I had the apples soaking in water so they wouldn't turn brown. I'm going to dump in 3/4 of a cup of oats. Now I had to get steel cut oats because the store was out of everything because this flu thing and everybody going crazy, or this virus thing. So I would get rolled oats, but we're going to try with steel cut. Just make sure you don't get quick oats or instant oats. You want the old-fashioned ones. Okay, now I'm also going to add in 4 tablespoons of butter that I melted. Okay. Now I'm going to add in 1/4 of a cup of flour. And 1/4 of a cup of brown sugar. Just get a spoon here to pull this out with, guys. And I just screwed up and threw that in on my apples, so it's going to have to be in there, guys. And I'm going to put in 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. I should have put my brown sugar in this mixture here, the dry mixture, but I put it in the apples, but that'll be fine. I'll just spread this around quick over the apples. So don't do that, guys. That's the wrong way to do it. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and stir this up. It's just the oat. Just want to mix it up, guys. And I might add just a hair of brown sugar in there to help season that crumb topping. Extra brown sugar isn't going to hurt anything, guys. That will help sweeten this topping up. Okay guys, I'm going to take my topping and I'm going to spoon this down over top of the apples. And this is my first time ever making apple crisp in a pressure cooker. It's my first time ever making apple crisps. So let's just hope it turns out good. My only real concern is the oats. I'm sure it'll be fine with the pumpkin spice of the nutmeg, but the oats is my only real concern. And I'm just going to spread that around. I'm going to put my lid on here. I'm going to set this to pressure cook for 8 minutes. After the 8 minutes are up, I'm going to let it do a natural release of the pressure. And then I'll let it sit for a little while with the lid off. That'll thicken it up. Alright guys, this is done. I let it do that natural release. One thing is, make sure you put your brown sugar in the topping, because I did get a burn notice and I had to play around with the pressure cooker a little bit to get it back to working. Now this would be good served over some vanilla ice cream or even over pie. But we're just trying like this today. Apples are nice and tender. Steel cut oats, they worked out fine. Next time I would use the old-fashioned oats, but they worked out fine. That's really good, guys. It tastes like hot apple pie. Okay, there you have it. Instant Pot Apple Crisp. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.